Are you ready for a new style from Rene of Paris? Let's unbox VERO in Marble Brown R. Alright, Rene of Paris recently came out with a few new styles, and VERO was one of those. I purchased this from Wig Studio One. It is heat-friendly fibers. Now, I am wearing my Rene of Paris casing. This was also part of that launch, but this one is not heat-friendly. Casing is not. I have a review already on this wig. I will link it below. But this one, the new VERO, is heat-friendly, so I want to show you that. And we're going to talk about this new style. Now, like I said, these are heat-friendly fibers. You can add curls, you can straighten it. I personally like heat-friendly fibers. I really do. I did not in the beginning of my wig journey, and I will tell you because I was intimidated by them. I didn't know how to care for them, but once I started wearing them and learning that they're not hard to take care of course, I wear mostly short wigs, a few longer ones. Now, the really long heat-friendly styles, I think, require probably a lot more care. But the short ones, I haven't had that much issue with. I can add some heat to the ends and really take care of them pretty easily. All right, let's unbox this style. Let's get this packaging out. Okay, it has a net, of course, and it's wavy. Oh, this color is so pretty. Marble Brown R. Look at that. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. It has a lace front and a mono part. It's not very deep here. Just letting you see that. Closed ear tabs with stays. Open wefted. It does not have an extended felt nape, and it has the pull adjusters. Okay, it's available in 13 colors. Marble Brown is a 50-50 blend of medium brown and light honey brown, and it's all on this dark brown root. So a blend of medium and light honey brown. I'll insert some outdoor footage of this color, and let's try it on. Okay, it's really large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I'll let you know that right off. It's really large. As a matter of fact, I want to bring it in a little because I don't think I will be able to really show it to you with it being this large on me. So I'm just going to bring these adjusters in a little bit and get a little tighter fit. So I'm going to bring it in this much. See if I can show you. I just brought it in a little. Let's try that on again. That's better. Easily done. Okay, wow. Look at this beautiful, these waves. This is really pretty. This color, wow, marble brown. I told you I was going to show you more brunettes this year, and I was not joking. I am going to continue to show you as many brunettes as I can. So this one is so pretty. Oh wow, I like these loose waves of this. It has a long bang. The highlighting is beautiful in this color. Now, again, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you could add more wave to this. You could straighten this. You could do all kinds of things. The specs, the front of this is 10½. So you got this 10½ on the front. The crown is 12½. The nape, 6.25, and it weighs 4.4 ounces. This really is so pretty. All right, I took the tags off because I want to style it a little bit for you. I can't get over how beautiful this color is. Now, the lace front runs here to here. This is some dark knotting. I want you to see that. The coverage is excellent there and there. There is some Permatease here. It's not as much as I thought it would be. I thought there would be a lot of Permatease in here. Now, there's Permatease in here, don't get me wrong. But it's not that huge, pillowy that sometimes we're used to with Rene of Paris. It's not that. there's not that much, but it's in here. So I just want to make sure that you're aware of that. You can tuck this behind your ears and go. Now there's a lot of fiber on this wig. I also want to make that clear. This is not a low density style. There is a lot of fiber here. And again, I'm very fair, so you can see that knotting here. But you can wear this off your face. A lot of styling with this. It's that length, I believe, that you could do a lot with. I think you could probably even put this in a low ponytail easily, which would be so pretty with this. This is a nice style. It really is. Pull it back off your face. Really pretty. I like these styles that have these waves like this. I'm into that all of a sudden. I just think that it's very feminine and flowy, and this would be good for a holiday. This would be good for party hair. If you want something to, you know, get up and off your face in an updo, I think this would work. So, yeah. Really pretty. Okay, that is a quick review of this new style from Rene of Paris. I think this would also be really pretty straightened. I might try that. I might put some heat on this and straighten this out and see how it looks. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.